Naghahanap ka ba ng move-in ready house and lot? Prime location siya along Aguinaldo Highway. Baka ito nang perfect para sa'yo. Malapit sa SM Hypermarket, Robinsons Imos at City Mall, Anabu. Pagpasok ay isang malawak na living area. Ito ay complete turnover kasama ang lahat ng cabinets at partitions sa second floor. Ang kitchen area, kasama na rin ang bar counter. This is the maid's room or guest room. At may sariling toilet and bath. This is the powder room. The total lot area is 216 square meter at ang total developed area ay 293 square meter. This is the master's bedroom with cabinets and vanity area. The master's toilet and bath na may jacuzzi. The door access going to the balcony. So we have 4 bedrooms sa second floor. At lahat po ay may toilet and bath. This is our second bedroom. The toilet and bath. The third bedroom. With toilet and bath. And finally, our fourth bedroom. With toilet and bath as well. The investment price is 17.5 million. The reservation fee is 100,000 pesos. Available via cash, bank, or in-house financing. This is the door access going to the Lanai area. With free 700 liters water tank. The service area. And the parking area. Nakasya ang dalawang sasakyan. For more info and for viewing assistance, contact us on this Facebook page.